Hey guys, Winter Visuals here today. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a magnet in Blender. So you want to delete the default cube, you want to go to add, and you want to go to mesh. Next is you want to add a cube. And on the scale you want to put 3.00 on the X. Then on the Z on the location you want to put 3.00 again. Then click 1 to go into front view. Switch to edit mode, and with this entire cube selected press Ctrl R, and you'll get this little line. Now click and click again, and then go to here loop cut and scales, and you want to add 10 loop cuts. Now with those 10 loop cuts, press A to select the entire cube. Then you want to go to mesh, you want to go to transform, and you want to go to warp. Now as you see, we're just going to get a circle. To fix that, you want to go to warp angle, make it into 180. After that's done, we want to go right here to this option, face select, and we want to select these bottom faces right here. Now hold shift to select both, and then press the E button to extrude it down. And as you can see, we'll have our magnet, but we're not ready yet. Let's start with this one. We need to select all the 6 faces on this one. Okay, after that, Ctrl R again, and add another 10 loop cuts. Now after those are added, we want to select this one the same. We want to do the same thing we did with this one. Okay, Ctrl R, 10 loop cuts again. Now with those 10 loop cuts, let's switch back to object mode. And as you can see, we have our magnet. Now the next thing to do is you want to go right here down to material properties. You want to click the plus button and click new. And then we just want to put the color of a magnet to red like you would usually see on one. So let's go to red. And you can press Z and you can go into material preview. As you can see, we'll have our magnet, but you noticed it's a bit, not looking completely right. So I also say, as you saw me do, click left and choose shadow on smooth. Next thing is let's go back to front view, and to fix this, we're gonna mess with the settings down here. For the specular, let's put it to 0.20. Then for the metallic, let's put it to 0.50. Then for the roughness, put it to 0.30. Now after that, we should have the first part of the magnet. Next thing is we want to go back to edit mode, and we want to select these faces right here. Now watch what I do. Weird. Hold on, guys. Oh yeah, I had to have this selected. Now select this again, and you just want to start selecting all these faces right here. Now okay. Now let's also Now with these selected, the next thing we can do is we can go back to materials again, and we want to click plus button again and click new, and then click assign. Then switch back to object mode, and as you see, we'll have our magnet, but you want to do the same thing as you did before with the rest. So like I said, for the metallic, you would want to put 0.50 again for the white. Yeah, I have to look back to remember what I did. Then for the specular, we would also want to put Now after we have that, we'll have our magnet. So you're probably wondering, the next thing we want to do is we want to turn this white, complete whitish to like about, oh wait, hold on guys, I didn't have the base color. So anyways, the base color, you want to give the base color a little bit more feeling like this. Then for the roughness, I just turn the roughness completely off. And as you can see, we'll have our magnet. Now, if you decide what you want to do with the roughness, but this is how you make a magnet in Blender. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Anyways, that's it for today. So, bye guys. See you next time.